Witness News is your vaccine authority, and each and every day we are getting answers to the questions you're asking. Today we are joined by Josh Geballe, Governor Ned Lamont's Chief Operating Officer. Josh, you're becoming a household name. We appreciate you taking some time for us today.
Good afternoon, Aaron.
So first off, Marian Tolland, she wants to know, what are the plans to bring the COVID vaccine to shut-ins?
Great question. So we actually have a number of our vaccine providers around the state now are doing home-based vaccinations for people who are homebound and have a hard time getting out. So if that's something that's important to you or a loved one, I'd encourage you to reach out to your local healthcare provider. Some of the big hospital systems are doing this. Some local health departments are doing this as well.
Okay, good to know. Next question. This is from Jill in Newtown. We hope to resume traveling and will be required to show proof of vaccine. How will that be given to us? I know that's a question a lot of people have with those spring and summer months coming up.
Yeah, another great question. Well, when you get vaccinated, you get your little vaccine card, so I'd keep that handy. We're still waiting for guidance from the federal government on whether there's going to be some sort of federal standard for documentation or proof around vaccination status. So that's when we're just going to have to wait a little bit longer to get some more details.
All right. Well, we're all itching to go somewhere these days. And finally,
tell me about it.
Carol in Cheshire brings up a good point. Since so many are being vaccinated now, is there any indication when Governor Lamont may ease the travel restrictions between Connecticut and New Hampshire, since the positivity rates have fallen as well?
Another fantastic question. Something we're actually looking at right now and in discussions with our neighboring states. We also want to look at whether having been fully vaccinated is something that could help ease some of those restrictions. If you didn't already have a good enough excuse to get vaccinated to protect yourself from severe illness from COVID, if you are fully vaccinated and you're exposed, you don't have to quarantine. Another big benefit, another reason we're prioritizing educators, but it'll help with travel-related quarantines as well.
That is certainly a good incentive. Thank you so much to you and everyone on the Lamont administration for your very hard work during this pandemic over the last year or so. Josh Geballe, Governor Ned Lamont's Chief Operating Officer, we appreciate you being with us on this Friday.
Thanks, Aaron. Have a great weekend.
You as well.